It's been nothing short of amazing. I'm honestly so thankful to God. You know, what I mean, because when I saw that, I was like, Lord, please give us this one.
These persons here present
to witness that I
say
your full
Abimbola Oluwaremilekun Oloko
name. Do take thee. Go for it.
Tomiwa Adele Adebisi
To be my wedded husband. To have and to hold. From this day forward. For better, for worse. For richer, for poorer. In sickness and in health.
I am looking forward to spending the rest of our lives together. Hey, the rest of our lives together, guys. That's what I said.
Can't control me. I'm angry, can't console me. Can't control me. I'm very angry, you can't console me. I like you, you shall consume me. You back consume me. You lash your to me. You love more to me. You remote to me. You lost America to me. I like you, you shall consume me. You back consume me. You lash your to me. You love more to me. You remote to me. You lost Canada to me.
Tell me, how much you having in your account? Look at paper, we're packing with rubber band. How much is even the whole amount? That is what I'm trying to understand. You have insult me, you should apologize. For someone to toast, till come alive. To ba fe my long, will it summarize? To ba long tire gun, will it organize? In your life, don't you ever come my side? It's in my front that you want to come and shine. If you lack, only let my try. Your girlfriend will vanish before your eye. All the clout on my body cost the harm and the leg. You want to ask me if I go right to the check. What's wrong with you?